Have a look at how manky this this side is that I haven't cleaned yet. And it's like, it's not even just grease, it's almost like hard deposits because it's been sitting for that long.
Did he say how long it was sitting for?
He said at least a year, so I think it's more than that. Also, another thing I found, sort of was talking about it yesterday, but the hooks that sits here, one of these was snapped off and we had been hauling it around with one of these bolts in and it was literally loose. I thought, oh, I should probably check that, and I was like, nah, it should be fine, like it's already in the air, you know.
I still can't get over this tape.
Yeah, it's pretty gross. I'll probably just end up doing like a the GTR coils and stuff. All right, let's see if it does it.
Oh, puppy.
Insert photo of what I had to do for the touge bolt.
Oh, with the big...
Yeah.
Wait, so what colour is the tapper cover going to be?
I don't know yet, to be honest. Let us know in the comments.
Oi, rose gold.
We can't have two rose gold tapper covers. Well, if you rip that out and put a J in it, I'll do it.
All right, you heard it, folks.
So why'd you swap to a J? Oh, well, my mate wanted the same colour tapper cover as me, so I had to rip out the engine.
How about you go full
I actually do dig the purple. Check the fix out on that. Look at the rubber underneath, like here.
That's good. So what are you thinking? You're probably just going to buy another one?
To be honest, I'm probably just going to go ATI or Ross balancer or something.
You know this is going to turn into a mental J build. Well, I mean, I suppose if we take off and like they want to see us build.
But I do want reliability mods. So things like the balancer.
Yeah.
Because I'm probably going to be abusing the out of this engine. Because that's what I'm going to do if I'm going to be drifting anyway,
So, big guy performance parts. You know what to do with this.
Help us out, please.
Help a brother out, yeah. That guy has a big I reckon.
Not too much in here. Ooh.
Why was that sitting so far back? Where's the actual...
And there's like bolts missing everywhere. One there, one there. There's one there missing. Saw some here somewhere as well. Not good. What the f? Before you start, if you don't know what you're doing on an engine, look at this. That is the timing tensioner. It's timed incorrectly. There's weird going on. Look at this. Clearly the wrong bolt. There's bog on the other side.
Another thing as well, like not trying to like start any, but replace your freeze plugs instead of putting JB weld
It's
in
not
there.
that hard.
It looks like my or like, you know, like under seats on buses where you've stuck your gum.
Oh, you want to know what else? You know how we saw with the gasket maker here?
Yeah.
I pulled that off and I was like, oh, it was probably like just leaking or something, so they sealed it. No, there was no gasket on here at all, just gasket maker.
Do you guys realise that you're meant to have an exhaust gasket, like a layered steel gasket?
You know they're only like 10, 15 bucks.
Yeah.
Like,
and it's a 1J. It's not kind of like it's hard to find. That they went through the effort to gently lay gasket maker on their exhaust manifold. You know how many exhaust leaks I think
Whatever
probably would have had?
this abortion is. Have a look at that. Look, the engine's crying already.
This is like a custom plate. And then they've booger welded 2 nuts on it.
And then it didn't fit, so they drilled some holes in so the screws could go all the way through.
All right, what is your
I've taken this off. This is like a spring-loaded, I don't think it's a spring, I don't know. Anyway, it's a tensioner, so as this has movement in it, it's supposed to maintain the right amount of tension. I've taken this off, They tighten this bolt so much that it doesn't move.
How big is the head gasket? Because it looks like to me that it's only just like a thin section there that is...
They probably just use gasket maker, bro.
Okay, this is gonna start a lot of shit, but it sort of looks like Caleb's engine.
Caleb, I'm gonna show you how to do a 1J, mate. Take notes.
Yeah, you better. I know they'll be watching as well.
Step 1, brake cleaner. Just degrease it, it'll look 20 times better.
I think, you know what we should do? I think this is the perfect time to insert the smacking the cams on the gutter. Yeah, we did a durability test on the SR20 Touge cams. And I think this little chip was like the only thing that we actually did. And I mean, yeah, we're just gonna leave the footage there and see what you guys think. I want to go crack one. Let's go crack one. Oh, Brittany's car's there. It's all right.
I'll just smack it on that.
It'll do. That's ridiculous.
Oh, go smack it on the cruiser.
All right, so today we're doing a review on Touge 272 cams. See how long they last.
You're gonna break
This is solid. Oh, you just chipped it. Oh, was that the tip part?
I didn't even hit the tip.
Just the shaft.
All right, let's try a...
No force, and it was just snapping.
Confirmed.
But it's
Trash.
we're gonna tag Whistling Diesel on this.
Maybe it's just really strong. Bro.
Isn't it metal?
Have you
cast.
seen the video of Whistling Diesel hitting cam? He literally like just taps them and they snap.
Next, we're gonna see how long the Skyline lasts on limiter.
Tell me, what do you think? If anyone wants to buy a brand new set of Yaris coil packs, hit me up.
I am resisting the urge to pull the head.
Like now?
Yeah.
I mean, why not?
Because I don't want parts lying around everywhere.
A few moments later.
So you want to tell them what you discovered?
It turns out the whole motor's just been run on what I assume is muddy tap water. And that's gonna have to get cleaned one way or another, so.
I mean, the bores look all right.
Yeah, they look fine. It's just a matter of if I can clean out all this without having to pull apart the bottom end.
So you'd have to get that dipped, eh?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
It looks a little bit cleaner now.
Yeah, the 10s.
There's no debris floating around at least.
Yeah, make sure you guys tell us what you want to see. Forged 1J? Question mark, question mark? No, but like any part of the builds or anything that we do, there was all sorts of shenanigans going on.
I'm not kidding, I just had it and I was like, I'll put this here and do the 14 first, and now it's gone. So I'm looking for the 12. I reckon he took it A. There's no other way. Madness. Absolute madness. Did you take my 12? It's not big enough.
It'll be around here somewhere.
Bro, I had it 2 seconds ago and now it's gone.
As you can tell, Ruben is not very happy in this moment. He's very mad, he won't say it.
I'm very.
I'm very disappointed.
Oh, you're joking.
What?
I'm just doing a quick update. Cleaning up the block a bit because it's nasty. This is the side that hasn't been done yet. Just cleaning it up for painting. And this is the side that I'm almost done with. Clearances are good. Just finished talking it back up and she's good to go. This is the end of the engine strip down and this is where we're at. We've painted the block, checked all the oil pump and that, and we're just waiting for a couple more parts before we start putting everything back together. The head's gonna get done probably end of this week or next week and go from there.
It'll be in the next video, the parts update.
Should we give them a preview of what's already arrived or should we just leave it?